So good morning everybody. It's a new unboxing of the John Deere 6110M. It's a 4-cylinder, 4.5 liter. This one has a TLS front suspension. As you can see here, the advantage of a John Deere with the TLS is that it's communicating with the hitch at the back, because the John Deere always want to dig when it gets stuck. Now I'm gonna the hood. As you can see here, there's the turbo, oil, radiator in the front. There's a lot of technique on this machine. This one has also a front loader package, as you can see. We've got the quick hitch, so if you want to put it on, it's very easy. The new exhaust pipe, it's smaller, it's thinner. It also has a smaller tube and tube. Also here the new lights on it, because it's a model year 19. We've put some trailer borg on it, 665 R38 with 540 60 50 65 R24. Got 2 beacon lights on it. Also with the nice mirrors. You can see a lot in the new mirrors. That's really a good thing. Got not much light, but we have 3 hydraulic valves, air brakes, also hydraulic brakes. It had load sense. We put our own Rockinger pickup. At the back, working lights. Also button for the PTO to switch it on and off. It's for the hitch. And this particular tractor, also the DEF is on it. But this tractor, we have some CommandQuad Plus transmission. This is a transmission that's electronic, and we also have auto clutch, so we don't have to press anymore. We can put it 1 foot to stop the machine. We don't need to pull in the clutch, just like so. We can do this and then we can stop. Very nice for front loader work. We have an electronic SCV on it for the front hitch, for the front loader. So you can see 3 valves. It's for the hitch at the back, it's for the PTO, for the lights. Nice light in it. The radio. We also have a glass roof. Also, can open it. It's a very nice transmission. You have to do less shifting with the hand. It's all electronic. You see here a button. That's 1 and that's 2. Here in the screen, I hope you can see it, you can push these buttons. There's 6.9 hours on the clock. And let's see. We're going to the start button. Always put this one on auto for cleaning the particulate filter. Here are we at the transmission. So as you can see now, you see the 1 and the 2. That's your start button. So when you do work on the road, you can put this one in 1, and your starting gear is always D1. But you have to use a lot of sewing, and you don't want to have the startup transmission in C1 or in D1. You can put it in mode 2, and then you can put there your other start. So you can also put it in B, because if you do a lot of sewing or something like that, field work, then it don't start up in a high gear but in a lower gear. Otherwise you always have to scroll back this one to press the buttons like this. But if you put it in this one, you see also here B, C, D, E, F. But if I put it in C or D or A or B, put it in this one, and your startup will automatically put in the right gear. So that's a really nice feature. It's also the starting gear. You couldn't put it all in. Also the auto clutch, the sensitivity, you can put it in high or low, as you can see, or out, medium, low. So we always put it in medium. So that's the amount of pressure that you put on with your foot on the brakes. The first M, the 6M, doesn't has all these features, but the latest M has it. So I think it's very nice. It's not an auto power, we know. When they're shifting you can feel it. But if you have a wagon on the back and then it's going to shift, then it's going to shift smoother, because then it has need to work. It's the parking brake, as you can hear, maybe hear the sound. Also, as you see, it goes into neutral. That's just the parking brake. We don't have any more a handbrake. It's all a transmission parking brake. So yeah, that's a very nice machine. Here you can put stuff in it. Put stuff also right here. We're waiting now for the... Oh wait, we'll put the lights on. As you can see, put the lights on and the orange light is also on. But we're gonna put a John Deere front loader on it, a 603R. That's a really nice, not too big, not too small front loader. But yeah, this is a very neat, cool machine. If you are a dairy farmer, It's very nice. It's not too big. If you have a farm with cauliflower, something like that, you can put it in the field. Not a lot of horsepower when you don't need it, but just enough horsepower. So yeah, the new 6110M. Well folks, I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.